everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to do a flip through of my For My Friend mini journal. So of course this is a kit on my Etsy shop, and the playlist is on here if you want to go through step by step how to make it, but we're just going to look at the finished, so pretty much finished. I always go back and add things later, but okay, so here's the cover. We did a soft cover with 2 different fabrics and a baby blanket liner, baby quilt liner that you get from Amazon in the middle, and this fun fabric. And then here are the pages from the kit, and I did a velvet tab and this card from the kit, and then I did modeling paste through a stencil and then used paint over it. There's a pocket from the kit. And scripture card. These are from the kit. This page. I used some old Dutch master paintings for part of the collaging into the pages. And fabric pocket. Sorry, this is a little... this is the way to make these if you want to make them. I think they're in my Humanize Your Journal series, or else it's in the miscellaneous series, but it unfolds. I got this from Elaine Gouris, the way to make these, and it unfolds and makes 3 pockets on each side, and then you put little cards in each pocket, and I just did Believing For on one side, well, and Praise Report. And actually there's 2 pockets on this side. And then maybe that hymnals, old hymnal pages. And you just tie it with ribbon, and just a cute little piece of ephemera for a journal. And you can make up a bunch of them and have them ready. Did a bunch of jelly plate printing on the backs of my printouts. So that's what this pink is back here, and some decoupage over it. This was a journaling page. I did some tea-stained journal paper that I had, and these numbers are from the kit. These are the ribbon sliders from the kit, Forever Friends, and velvet edge, a little coin envelope from the kit. I didn't have to put anything in that, and a little pocket that flips up to write on. Another card from the kit. And then this was a pull-out. Now, one of them comes in the kit, and I just made another plain one to put over on this side, so I had one on each side of these 2 pages. So, and I just sewed the pages shut here and here. Journaling page, pocket from the kit. A perverse man spreads strife, and a slanderer separates intimate friends. So I've got scriptures throughout that relates to friendship and friends. And walk with the wise and become wise. Here's a little pocket from the kit and a page from the main kit pages. Journaling page. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver, the other gold. And pocket from the kit, and decoupaging, and this was another little piece of ephemera that I think Elaine did this one too, and I copied it and made some, and I think I showed that on the same one, that the miscellaneous series and the Humanize Your Journal series. I showed how to make these. Super cute. Enhanced paper clip, and then fabric that I just did a blanket stitch around and added some cute buttons, and pocket from the kit and a card from the kit. Did some stencil paste, threw a stencil on that, and then this page is from the kit, and so is this card and these pockets. Here's some more buttons, the other side of the cloth page. And this this little tab in velvet, and this pocket, and card from the kit, journaling page. I just glued this on for a little tuck spot and did the tickets from the kit, which were for Friendship Tea Room, Admit 1. So that's that page from the kit. Oh, this was the folio that was in it, in the kit, that folds out. And it's got 2 pockets here and then 2 cards. And then there's a pocket here that I put a little card in. And a journaling page. Here's the other side of that where I stitched it shut. And then this one was the folder that was in the kit. And then I glued one of the little tabs that I included in the kit, Memories, and made it so you could put whatever. And then I stamped through with Distress ink on the inside of it. And then here's another page from the kit. Both of these are kits, kit pages, and pocket and card. And this is decoupaging. And this is the 4-flap box fold that's in the kit. You open it up and it's got 6 pockets in it and 6 scripture cards to go with it. And that's it. And then the last page, and then there's the fabric from the back. So that's it. That is my friend's mini journal. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, think about clicking like or subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.